Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to look at Excel formulas. Excel formulas are formulas that are used to carry out to solve mathematical problems using Excel. We have mentioned some of it, especially the addition. Now we are going to look at the whole range of Excel formulas that we can use to solve our mathematical problem. First, you should understand that the usual mathematics sign that we use in our daily life is also being used in Excel. For instance, for addition, let me see if it will take it. Okay, for subtraction, Excel recognizes the minus sign. For multiplication, Excel does not recognize the X sign, but it recognizes the star sign for multiplication, the star sign. Okay? And then for division, Excel recognizes the / sign. Okay, let me bring this into focus. Okay, so these are the signs the formulas that Excel recognizes: addition, subtraction, the star sign to represent multiplication, and then the / as division. Now let's look at how these things work. If you want to carry out any kind of mathematical solution using Excel, remember you have to start with the equal sign. All right, then you can now use any of these signs, all right, to carry out to solve the mathematical problems. For instance, let us add 23 plus 23. All right, and then you click enter. Excel returns the addition of 23 plus 23. Let us subtract. That is equal to 50 minus 30. Excel returns 20, which is fine. Let us say is equal to, don't forget, 5 star 5. All right, that's 5 times 5. Click enter, 25, and then is equal to 40 divided by 10. Enter, 4, which is all correct. Now, Excel can also make references to cells and use the number in those cells to carry out mathematical equation. For instance, if, like we have here, then let me say 34, 10, 5, and then 2. So if you want to carry out addition of 46 and 34, all we need to do is to punch our equal sign, click on 34 plus, plus 46, and then click enter. That is the addition. Then for this, we can use still our equal sign, can say 20, that is that cell, minus this cell. Hit the equal sign, Excel will carry it out for us. For this, we can say is equal to 25 times this cell, hit enter. 25 times 5 is 125, which is absolutely correct. For division, we can say is equal to 4/2 and click enter. So Excel can make references to cell and use the data in those cells to carry out mathematical equation. Please, you can continue to practice with this as much as possible so that you get familiar, with it. Beyond that, even if you are adding so much, all right. For instance, you want to add this 2 plus this plus this is equal to, all right, that's 6. And then you can repeat the same for all the other ones, all right. Now there are other ways you can do addition, without having to do it one by one, 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 10, all right. You can use the sum function of Excel to carry out your additions. For instance, if you want to add 46 to 40, to 20 to 25 and 4, now you can come here, is equal to, we are going to apply one function of Excel, the sum function, all right. Now is equal to sum, open brackets. All we need to do is to highlight all the data in the range of cells that we want to add, all right, and then click enter. We are good to go. Okay, same thing for this. We want to add from 34 to 2. Come here, click is equal to sum. Please practice this yourself. It's very easy. Then highlight all this and then click enter. Okay, you can do the same thing for this. Is equal to sum. That is using the sum function of Excel to solve simple mathematical equation and then enter. All right. Now the beauty of Excel. Let me show you something. Okay, beautiful. Now the beauty of Excel is, if you have made the mistake here, that this is supposed to be 10 and you have written 20, because we have used a function of Excel to arrive at this number. If you come here and change this to 10, watch this, this is 95. If you come here and change this to 10 and click enter, it automatically effects correction at the end of the day. If this was supposed to be 40 and you have written 46, you change and then click enter, it has automatically changed this. All right, you can do the same. You can try it, practice with this. It makes life easy, especially when you need to add a large sum of data